another episode of Learn to Draw with Blue Planet. Now in today's episode, we are going to see how to draw Princess Elsa from Frozen. So we start with her face. We'll draw a broad U. And because Elsa has beautiful hair, on the top of the U, we will make the hairline of Elsa. From behind the eye, we can show portion of her ear. Now, as we know, Elsa has a braided hair. So, the beautiful blonde braid of Elsa will come from here in a nice braid. Which will be tied with a beautiful frozen flower. Let's now concentrate on the beautiful eyes of Princess Elsa. Now before we make the eyes, we have to make the eyebrows. Now it's always advisable before you draw a face, you draw a very light line so that the features of the face can be symmetrically placed. This line we will be erasing later on. So the eyebrows. And the big eyes of Princess Elsa. The nose, and the mouth, the ever smiling thin lips of Princess Elsa. And we will now finalize on the eyes. So that's how our Princess Elsa looks. Now you can color her beautifully and add her dress and decorate her as you wish. Hope you enjoyed the session. See you next session with another lovely drawing. Bye bye till then.